Hi, in this video I will show you how to get ExitLag Booster Premium or trial. So ExitLag can actually help you reduce your game freezing and boost your game performance. So if you want, you can head over and get a 6 months free on annual plan using this right here. You can click on the Just Get It Now option, and from in there it should be able to present you to the pricing page right there. So in here we have the monthly, annually, and quarterly options. So as you have noticed, the annually one is 51% off and it includes all of these features that you can see. Now this one is for the solo and we also have duo option. So as you can see, this one is very affordable with $1.5 per month per player for the duo. So for the squad, it's actually very much more smaller and you can head over and then get it. So you can click on this subscribe now option and then from in there they should be able to redirect you to the actual payment page and you can just head over and then input your details, create your account, then choose a payment method according to these options that we have right there. So that's how you get Exit Lag Booster Premium or trial. Hope we help.